Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about CleanSpark Inc. This stock trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol CLSK. This stock was up an amazing 18.93%, up to $28.46 after hours. It continued moving up another 6.11%, up to $30.20. This stock is, it's poising a pretty amazing comeback on Monday after everything in the market moved higher. Now, CleanSpark has been one of these really hyped stocks. You can see this stock has had an incredible run, has been trading in a range, and it looks like with this big 18% move, it might be ready to make another charge at its 52-week high, which is sitting about 42.60. So it still has a little bit of a way to go before it hits its 42-week high. However, I do think over the long term, CleanSpark is going to do really well, and it may be about to make its next leg up as the overall markets look like it's about to move higher over the next week or so. So CleanSpark is involved in creating technology that allows for the execution of microgrids. So they have three basic types of products. They have like a SaaS or software as a service planning product. So if you're an engineer and you want to put together a microgrid, they have the SaaS software to allow that to happen. They have a platform that allows you to integrate different types of energy sources, so solar, batteries, generators, etc. And then they have switchgear that allows for single or multiple generator applications. So they're sort of one company that allows you, if you want to create a microgrid software that, from the planning to the execution to the maintenance, they can make that all happen for you. So, energy stocks I do think are going to do really well over the spring months because that's usually the strong time for oil prices and for energy prices. And CleanSpark is a clean energy play, and it usually does pretty well in the spring. So that's another reason why CleanSpark may do well over the next couple of months. However, I think CleanSpark is best as sort of a long-term play. I think over the long term, you're going to see more microgrids go online, and a company like CleanSpark is probably going to grow exponentially in size. Right now, the market cap is under $700 million. Would not surprise me at the end of the decade if CleanSpark becomes a $10 billion company, as you see maybe various residential, commercial, municipal, military contracts come in for CleanSpark. Various different entities want to have their own microgrid. They see the energy savings, and also look at what happened to Texas, where the entire grid went down. If you had your own microgrid, then you didn't have that problem. So that's another thing to consider, is that our electrical grid system in the United States does go down, and it's kind of embarrassing that we're supposedly the most advanced country in the world, but when we have wildfires in California, those that part of the grid goes down. When we have excessive heat waves, parts of the grid goes down. So there might be more of a demand for CleanSpark as there's more of a strain on the big three grids we have. We have the Eastern Interconnect, the Western Interconnect, and then the Texas Interconnect. So that's just another thing to consider. So definitely take a look at CleanSpark. Once again, it trades on the NASDAQ under symbol CLSK. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.